In this video, we will talk about how to find percent increase. There are 3 simple steps we will use to find the percent increase. The question we're looking at today says a TV was $350. At Best Buy, they increased the price to $455. What is the percent increase? Step 1 says to find the amount of change or to subtract. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to subtract 455 and 350. 455 minus 350 is 105. The next step says to divide by the original amount. So I'm going to take 105 and divide it by the original amount of 350. After typing in 105 divided by 350 into my calculator, I get 0.3. The last step will be to change it to a percent or multiply by 100. So I'm going to take 0.3 and multiply by 100, and I will get 30. So the percent increase will be 30%.